How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. Click on your profile at the top right corner. Well, you need to make sure that the same Google account is logged into your Game Center. Once you have checked the Google account, go back and head over to Play Games. It will land you on this home page. Click on this three dot at the top right corner and then head over to Settings. So inside Settings, you should see the option where it says Automatically sign in to supported games. If you find that option, simply toggle on the button. For me, you can see there is no any option like that. It will only be available to some of the users. If it is available to you, then simply enable that option and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.